From coffee spills to birthday cheer, we scrap the days that got us here. One